name of the book is The Brotherhood of the Screaming Abyss, My Life with Dennis McKenna. I was able to be in San Francisco for a short time in 1967, the so-called Summer of Love. My brother was already in Berkeley at that time, so we had a place to go. Alvarius, the species that contains 5-methoxy-DMT as opposed to mufotine. We generally think about the brain as a generator of consciousness and a generator of experience. But maybe it's more like a receptor. Maybe it's more like a radio receiver. And psychedelics temporarily give you an opportunity to lower those mechanisms, that default network, or sometimes called neural gating, if you're in a safe place where you don't have to worry about your safe. Like we can talk about the war on drugs, right? And the war to suppress these psychedelics and other substances in that realm, which are outside of this biopharmaceutical industrial complex. But you can also talk about the war of drugs.